this fellowship will prepare me very well for my career, not only clinically because of the amount of basic hand surgery stuff and also complex hand surgery topics that I'm being exposed to during fellowship, but also it will prepare me well professionally because of the mentorship that I've received here and the fantastic group of mentors that I'll be able to rely on after fellowship, both professionally and for clinical questions.
From the cases that we're seeing, from bread and butter as well as to the complex peripheral nerve reconstruction cases, it's just giving such a wide variety or volume of cases to get reps in, and additionally with graduated autonomy throughout the cases as we do more and more with all of the attendings. And then in addition, I think is our resident fellow clinic that we help run with the residents. Gives us autonomy to make all the decisions, plans, as well as preparing patients for surgery, that we have a dedicated fellow OR day, at least one, maybe twice a month. And then also call is extensive, but highly valuable in the sense that we are making decisions on transferring patients to WashU, as well as taking them to the operating room either that night or the next day, with again a large experience of graduated autonomy and really actually moving forward to operating on our own.
There's obviously no shortage of clinical experiences here, but I think our faculty members do such a great job at setting and laying down that academic infrastructure to kind of get you that job that you want in the future, and to kickstart that process, whether that's through research, connections in all the societies, and mentoring and supporting you through that job search process has been really helpful. And I think that the opportunity to really talk about practice management on a day-to-day basis is something that has been a great added benefit of the fellowship. You know, you understand how to be effective and efficient in developing your clinic template, your operative template, and how to efficiently go through your day. So those are all little tidbits that you talk about at the end of every day that I've really appreciated through the process so far.